everybody, Leather Lady here. We're going to be talking about this English girth and its buckles. We can go ahead and change this out. This is a beautiful Ingle girth that I do sell on my website, theleatherladyllc.com. I also have cinches as well. But if you ever need these buckles changed out, this is what I can do for you. So this is one that I'm doing for a lady here, and she needs a little bit wider buckles, so we're going to go down to this end where I've already changed out her buckles for her Australian saddle. Now, if you do change them out, though, a little bit heavy, they've got to know that they're going to be just a little bit slightly off because they are wider buckles. But if you have a beautiful girth, and sheepskin, I'm telling you guys, is the best way to go with your girths. It is breathable, it is soft, it's forgiving, and the horses do love it. But we can adjust your buckles on any cinch or girth.